Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video from text using AI. So for this video, we are using Lumen5. So go to lumen5.com and make sure to create an account if you don't have one. Now here on their homepage, once you are signed in, select new video over here, create a single video. And now you should be able to choose a template. So just simply choose a template that you prefer. So for example, I want to have this one over here. Click on it and you should be able to choose the format. And now click on use this template. And from here, you can get started with these, but I'm going to go start from scratch. And from here, you should be able the duration of the video. And you could preview it out as you can see. Now from here, let's say I want to add another one, select add new scene. I'm gonna go ahead and create a text on media scene. From here, just simply select a design. So pretty much over here, all of the templates are related. So for example, I'll go over here. Now from here, I'm gonna go for AI media. And from here, describe the image you like to generate. So guys, here is my prompt. Create me a construction man doing their job and being productive. So pretty much the prompt will be depending on you, and you will have the image style and you will have the color tone, and just simply select generate. And from here, let's say I like this one. So click on it. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to see the preview over here. And now click on the template and click on swap designs, and you will have your multiple designs that you could choose from based on the AI image that we created. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one. I like this one over here, and we should be able to add a text over here. So I'm gonna go for best online solutions, and after that you should be able to see the preview, and pretty much that's it. You can add as many as you can using the AI text over here. And once you are done, just simply select publish, and you should be able to see the download button at the bottom over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.